So I guess this is the intro. My name is Slavik, and we're going to go over the process of what it takes to fix a Porsche GT3. I'm really excited. It should be a really awesome build. This is a no shortcuts work, and we're just going to go over all the steps that are involved, all the parts that are included, that are involved and you need to buy, and just things like that. No shortcuts. This is strictly professional build, professional quality. Things that you wouldn't be scared to take out on the track again once you're done. The car was bought 2 months ago, and we've been waiting for parts to come in, and now finally they're in, so we can start disassembly of the car and things like that. So it should be interesting. Hope you guys enjoy. Alright, so some of the damage, rear bumper. Got single lug. Have to go buy specialty tools just to remove the wheels. For these beauties right here. So here you see some of the damage that's inside of the tub. There we go, there's a better shot. So that's the inside damage of the tub. It's been all disassembled. You can see you need a whole new tub. You can't just replace a single part. Also, as you can see, windshield's been cracked. I have to replace that also. But otherwise, the car looks really good. Everything very high quality. PDK. And one of the most important buttons. Can't wait to get a video of the exhaust. So I'm not sure what you guys were able to hear inside the shop. There was a lot of humming, there's a lot of machines and fluorescent lights and stuff like that. But we got the front end apart. We need a new tub. Frame rails look good, so there's no frame that needs to be pulled, just the tub that needs to be welded in. And we'll start working on that soon. I'll give you guys detailed videos of how that's done and all the work that goes into it. For now, this is sort of just like an intro of what the project's going to entail. Some details about the car. So 2015 GT3 was bought on copart.com. Not a sponsor of this video. Hopefully, if they hear about it, maybe they will sponsor us. That'd be nice. The shop that we're doing at, Rev Collision, I mentioned it earlier. They did some awesome work. They work with Nakai, I forget his last name, sorry. The guy who does the RWB Porsche builds. So they're a very renowned, well-known shop in our area. And they do some awesome stuff, and they know how to get the job done. There's way better lighting here. Alright, so come here, what's it called? Talk about the car. Alright. Get in the shot.
What's up? So basically it's a 2014 GT3. Bought it on Copart probably 2 to 3 months ago. It's been just sitting till we get all the parts. I mean, the top is here. That was the biggest issue because the dealers, they don't want to sell it because it's aluminum piece. So I got it from overseas. Most of the parts are here. Bumper, I got the used bumper cover on eBay for about 1,000. Headlights on the way here. Cooling was probably around 1,000 each side, so that's already here. And I mean, that's about it.
How many miles on the car?
It has about 9,000, 8,000 something. So
brand new.
It's pretty low miles. Should be a sweet car. It runs and drives. One tire is flat, so it can't be driven, but soon it will.